I'm gonna pour on my heart. Okay. This is my salad. This is my TV. This is the mirror. This is my lotion. And this is my whole family picture. This is my father, my mother, my ate, me, and my good. I'm gonna open up a little katanganan. This is my this is my kitchen is so very dirty. Next, this is my bathroom. This is my bed of my mother. This is my bed here. My laptop. This picture. This is my happy because I want to show that I like my family, but like that. So purple is I want to show this. I can. Kasi ating gapo. Simple,